Let's talk about this week, holiday week. And if you don't know, this week is Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, or at least if you don't call it Thanksgiving, you know what I'm talking about. But more importantly, how you sabotage yourself before the New Year's, and how the New Year's is really you playing catch up to the hole that you got yourself in from the holidays. One or two things happen during the holidays. You either go home, or you spend more time alone, or you're spending more time with family. So for the people who are more alone, what I suggest is using the holidays to really lock in on your diet, your program, and your workout routine, just to get out of your own head. So you have a routine where you're not focusing on a lot of the stuff that goes on your head when you're alone, and you guys know what I mean when I say that. Now, the other people who are with their family all the time, that means that you're going to be eating more. You're not going to be working out as much, and you're going to be spending quality time with your family. And most of the time, spending quality time with your family includes eating, drinking, and not sleeping. So here's the fix: what we're going to do for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We're going to lock in on our diet. So we're going to make sure that we're hitting our macronutrients the way that we're supposed to, hitting our micronutrients the way that we're supposed to, our caloric intake like we're supposed to, but then making sure that we're on our P's and Q's with our workout routine, whether that be boxing or working out in general. Thursday, if you want to work out in the morning, I would say go ahead and do that. But Thursday, you need to be front loading your protein. Have all your protein intake that you need for the majority of the day, or for that day in the beginning. So that way, when it comes to nighttime, when you're on your feast, you can just eat and not have to worry about it and think guilty. Now, once Thursday's done and you've had a feast, that should skyrocket you to your Friday and Saturday's workout, where you'll see you'll have more energy. So that's how we use this week to kind of kickstart going into our goals, as opposed to letting it sabotage us. Because then now you should be getting into the month of December and looking at it like, okay, New Year's is where a lot of people use that energy to kickstart and say, yo, I'm locking on my goals. I'm locking on my goals. What if you were already kind of towards that place? You would see how you can use the month of January to hit your goals by February, depending on what your particular goals are. But that's a quick tip for what you can do with the holidays so you don't sabotage yourself. You can actually use it as a domino effect to go ahead and improve yourself going forward. Comment below if you guys have questions. Once again, I make videos based on the questions that you guys ask, and I'll see you guys in the next one.